excited to introduce a new addition to the renowned Mobius series, the Mobius 120 Slim. This fan is not just an iteration, it's a revolution of cooling technology, especially for the small form factor community. The Mobius series has already made its mark as a top performer in thermal and noise level efficiency. This year, Cooler Master is bringing that same excellence to smaller cases with the Mobius 120 Slim. It's the perfect solution when even 10 millimeters can make a difference in your build. What makes the Mobius 120 Slim stand out is its loop dynamic bearing design, which consists of 3 core components, each designed to enhance the fan's performance and longevity. Firstly, there's the oil reflow system. As the bearing rotates, oil flows to the top via centrifugal force. This ensures constant lubrication, and the granular surface of the bearing optimizes oil integration. The result? A smoothly operating, long-lasting fan. Next, we've added a dust-proof wall with a staggered stator frame. This design effectively prevents dust buildup, reducing sludge formation, and maintaining silent performance. And then there's the magnetic ring. Positioned around the end of the shaft, it provides enhanced stability by keeping the shaft in a fixed position, eliminating vibration and noise. The Mobius 120 Slim also features blades connected by an outer ring. This design limits negative air pressure and ensures the blades are as close as possible to the frame, further stabilizing fan rotation. And of course, we have to talk about how quiet this fan is. Every Mobius 120 Slim is designed and produced in-house on a fully automated AI production line. So each fan undergoes rigorous noise level testing, ensuring they're as quiet as they are efficient. With the Mobius 120 Slim, Cooler Master continues to lead in cooling solutions, offering top-tier, quiet performance in a compact size. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to stay right here for more from the Cooler Master Tech Experience.